The businesses leading their markets today are redesigning how work gets done with AI. I'm Gavin Keane, Managing Director at CMS. Over the last 6 months, we've been developing a service that will help you navigate the world of AI. It's called CoBuild. Using tools like Claude, Copilot, and N8N, we streamline and automate work that consumes time, margin, and momentum. And as the name suggests, we do it with you. Apart from automations, we also design custom business applications that replace complex SaaS platforms with intelligent software built around the way you operate and you own it. Every engagement begins with a secure foundation and a clear view on where AI can deliver the greatest return. So let's co-build the future of your business and create capacity for it to prosper.